best way to recover data from computer easy and quick. Easy Data Recovery is software that helps recover vanished, deleted, or formatted files from various storage gadgets, such as hard drives, USB drives, memory cards, and more. First, download, install and run Easy Data Recovery tool on your computer. Then, follow these 3 steps for recovering data from your computer using Easy Data Recovery. Select the data type you want to recover and the hard drive you want to scan. If you only want to recover specific types of files, check the boxes next to those file types. Easy Data Recovery offers the scanning modes, Quick Scan and Deep Scan. Quick Scan automatically starts when you begin scanning, so we recommend it for recent data loss. Check the scanned results by viewing the files listed by type and path. Once all data types are listed, select the files you want to recover. Use the search bar to locate files by name or path, and change the preview mode with the icons next to the filter button. Lastly, recover the selected files by clicking the Recover button. So, by following these 3 steps, you can quickly recover any lost data from your computer with Easy Data Recovery.